Welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking a ultimate grilled ham and cheese sandwich as well as a grilled cheese sandwich. So now let's go to MR3 Kitchen. If you smell what the frugal cyborg is cooking.
A few moments later.
Let's get started. Today we're going to start by turning on the George Foreman grill and we're going to set it for 3 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps with the channel. Subscribe, leave a comment. What kind of sandwiches do you like? Do you like grilled cheese sandwiches? Do you like grilled ham and cheese sandwiches? Or is there another sandwich out there that you like? Leave that in the comments. And now let's continue with the video.
Later.
Okay, now that the timer has gone off, let's go spray this. Alexa, turn off. I'm gonna spray the George Foreman with cooking spray. Just put that right there for now. Okay. First thing we gotta do is build the grill ham and cheese sandwich, or the, let's see. You can use any kind of ham. I just bought this one because I grew up on this when I was younger. And I'm gonna put a cheese on top of. I have 3 slices of ham. And on both sides of the ham is gonna be cheese. So there's going to be extra cheese on the sandwich because it's the ultimate grilled cheese. I never seen this one made on YouTube, so I just want to try it. And I'm going to spray it with, I cannot believe it's not butter spray. Or I can't believe it's not butter spray. I'm going to spray it on thick because I'm not using regular butter. Okay. And now I'm gonna put a slice of cheese in between the breads, and I'm gonna spray that on thick as well. Okay. Now, we're going to throw these babies onto the George Foreman grill. I got the medium George Foreman grill so it can fit 2 sandwiches. And we're going to let that cook for about 1.5 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 1.5 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 1.5 minutes.
1 minute and 30 seconds, starting now.
2,000 years later.
Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna, Alexa, turn off. Now, we're gonna check it. Oh man, the bread came off of this one, but that's okay. Looks about done. Okay. Oh crap. That feels good. Okay. I'm gonna turn this off. Now I'm gonna take a bite of the grilled cheese. That tastes good. Now I'm going to take a bite of the grilled ham and cheese. The ultimate grilled ham and cheese. Mmm. Oh man, that tastes good. This is actually my first time trying it. I just wanted to try it because I grew up on grilled ham and cheese, and I just wanted something more high in protein. But if you never tried it, you can try it like this. It only takes a minute and a half because it cooks on both sides. If you're cooking it on the stove, it takes about probably a minute and a half on high medium or medium high. But you could give it a try. I'm going to enjoy this, and I'll probably have my Pepsi Zero because 0 calories, and this tastes just like regular Pepsi, but since I'm cutting calories and everything else, I gotta try this. Everybody, keep on staying healthy and still on my Fit for 40 diet. I have a few more weeks, or maybe like less than a month. And my birthday's in the first part of October, so everybody, only you can control your narrative. Everybody, see you in the next video.